So I went into the dealership today and I went ahead and I just ordered a 2023 Silverado 1500. I went with the Trail Boss this time. All my trucks have been, so I've had 3 LM2 Duramax diesels and they've all been RSTs. This time I stepped into a Trail Boss. We're making some changes on some of the options on there. You can see the paperwork right here. I hid the color because that's up for you to guess. If you've watched my videos before, you're going to know what color I got really excited for. And that's the color that I ordered on this truck. So I'm super excited. The LZ0 is, there's no information on it. There's a lot of speculation, a lot of crazy people out there coming up with some wild ideas. But we're going to go for it. I mean, it just makes sense. I've had 3 LM2s. They've been awesome engines so far with minor issues on the very first one. The current one and the refresh, I absolutely love that engine. However, if you followed along, there's a lot of paint issues with that. And I will tell you, my selling dealer stepped up and they're going to repair the whole truck. So that's going to be completely fixed. However, I decided that I don't want to keep the truck and I want to order a new one, and they gladly accepted that idea. And so today we ordered that new one, and I'm super excited. They're going to be starting to build these August 29th. I'm not saying mine's going to be built then. It's probably going to be built in September, hopefully, and then I'll get it. So we'll have the LZ0 all over this channel. We're going to see if any of the PPE items fit on there. We got the S&B intake. We're going to test fit that. Who knows what else? I think I really burned myself on the Derringer, though, because now I'm going to have to wait for this LZ0 to be tested by Banks. But LZ0 coming to this channel, I'm pretty excited. It's a Trail Boss. We've got some options on it that we're adding. It's an LT Trail Boss. These are pricey trucks. I can't believe it. But I'm super excited. Rad color, LZ0 engine coming here. Hopefully we have some information on this engine in the near future, because I'm quite surprised that we haven't heard anything. But anyway, I'll keep you up to date. See ya.